In 2025, the East Fork Lewis River Reconnection project began. One of the project's goals is to help the endangered salmon species in the river as well as other wildlife. Houses and businesses along the river have been threatened by erosion. By reconnecting the river to its wide and meandering floodplain, installing thousands of wood features, and planting native plants, the project will help keep them safe from washing away in the next big flood. This was the first year of the 2-year project. Filling old gravel pits and creating new habitat features have been the main activities. Local construction crews, scientists, and restoration ecologists have been working hard to complete the job. The goal of the East Fork Lewis River Reconnection project is to ensure that the river is healthy for salmon, homes and businesses are protected from flooding, and that the community benefits from a healthy river.